Hello guys. It's already 11:30.
I hope we're more than just friends. I wanna be
So guys,
with you. I said it's something in the way that you look at me. There is something that is off like it used to be. It was better, better, better. Would you rather, rather, rather be in love with someone else like we used to be? I said it's something in the way that you look at me. There is something that is off like it used to be.
hello guys. Welcome to my vlog for the first day. Oo. So January 8 ngayon guys. First day ng pasok namin. So,
tanong Monday.
hindi kami pumasok ng Monday tsaka ng Martes. So ngayon lang kami pumasok guys. Isang subject lang today. So ito yung vlog natin ng ngayong taon. So for the second sem guys. It's already 11:37 pa lang, so dapat yung class namin mag-end ng 12:30 pero maaga pa guys. Naggawa lang kami ng essay tapos yun, bilis na tapos. 12:30? Hindi mo send dito 12 lang? 10:30 to 12. Okay, hanggang 12 lang. Grabe yung puti ko sa liwanag tol. So uwi na kami. Naisip ko pupunta ko ng library guys. Bago. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa library after ng class namin ng one subject. So it's already 11:55 pa lang at this moment. So mag-aaral muna kami at may recitation kami agad bukas guys. So ayun.
Life goes so fast, I've been living so slow. Let's just leave, do whatever we want to. I don't want no regret or any days.
it's already 1:26 na, so kakatapos lang namin mag-aral.
Life goes so fast, I've been living so slow, holding on my past, I just wanna let go.
Sige, kami guys ng campus. So it's already 1:31 at this moment.
When we're out west, we'll only drink French roast, Harlem tomatoes on avocado toast.
So guys, dadaan muna ako guys sa may CSI bago tayo uuwi. So, welcome to this vlog. Ito yung first vlog natin after first day of semester guys. Yung mga nakaraan kasi hindi ako pumasok kasi wala pa naman kaming schedule, so ngayon pa lang. So guys, it's already 2 PM na, so papunta na ako ng terminal. Hopefully sana walang mga pila. Hello guys.
Hi guys. So, ngayon na naman kami nakita.
Yeah,
At
kasi siya
kulang
nagpakita
na naman kami.
Dalawa lang kami, wala silang tatlo. So, wala silang pasok.
Oo, online nila no.
Wala nila. So, hello guys, it's already 8:55 in the evening. So, nag-aaral ako ngayon or nagre-review ako for the business taxation. Kanina, after kong makauwi, mga alas 3. So, nagre-review ako. Then ngayon, gabi na is magre-review ulit tayo. So, ayan yung mga handout guys. So, actually guys, ngayon pa lang yung pasok namin kanina sa campus. Kasi, January 6, 7 is wala pa kami mga prop yun. So ngayon pa lang, ngayong araw pa lang. Kaya bukas may recitation. So hopefully makasagot tayo kapag natawag tayo guys. So ngayon sasama ko kayong mag-review. By the way, ito yung first vlog natin for the year 2025 and manifesting and praying guys. Sana mahita natin yung 1,000 subscriber. Let's pray for that. Sama ko kayo mag-review ako guys.
You feel this too. I hope we're more than just friends. I